What if I told you that most people are walking around with hidden deficiencies that drain their energy, weaken their immune system, and sabotage their health, without even knowing it? You could be eating healthy and still be severely lacking in 3 essential nutrients. But here's the good news. The solution is simple, and today you'll learn how to fix this. Welcome to Levitas. Most people have nutrient deficiencies. Here are the most common that you should be supplementing today. 1. Why is it so important to use omega-3? Omega-3 fatty acids are critical for brain function, heart health, and reducing inflammation. Your brain is nearly 60% fat, and omega-3s, especially DHA, also known as docosahexaenoic acid, are the building blocks of healthy neurons. Low omega-3 levels are linked to brain fog, depression, and cognitive decline. But it doesn't stop there. Omega-3s also reduce inflammation, lower triglycerides, and protect against heart disease. They even play a role in joint health, reducing stiffness and pain. If you suffer from dry skin, brittle hair, or weak nails, you might be omega-3 deficient. So, how much should you take? Experts recommend at least 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of EPA and DHA daily for optimal health. However, if you have inflammation, heart concerns, or brain fog, higher doses, of up to 3,000 milligrams per day, may be beneficial. Always choose high-quality omega-3 sources to get the full benefits. 2. Vitamin D. Why is it so important? Vitamin D is one of the most powerful hormones in your body, regulating immune function, bone health, and mood stability. Despite its nickname as the sunshine vitamin, more than 50% of people are deficient, even those who live in sunny regions. But why does it matter? Low vitamin D levels are linked to fatigue, frequent illness, depression, and even increased risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Without enough vitamin D, your body can't properly absorb calcium, leading to weak bones, muscle weakness, and a higher risk of fractures. So, how much should you take? The recommended daily intake is at least 2,000 to 5,000 international units per day for most adults. However, if you have a deficiency, higher doses, of 10,000 international units or more, may be needed temporarily under medical supervision. The best way to check your levels is through a blood test, ensuring you're in the optimal range of 60 to 70 nanograms per milliliter. 3. Why is magnesium so important? Magnesium is the master mineral, responsible for over 500 enzymatic reactions in the body. It plays a crucial role in muscle function, nerve signaling, sleep quality, and stress management. If you experience muscle cramps, anxiety, insomnia, or migraines, chances are you're magnesium deficient. It's also essential for heart health, regulating blood pressure, and preventing arrhythmias. Without enough magnesium, your body can't properly utilize vitamin D or absorb calcium, leading to weakened bones and poor immune function. So, how much magnesium should you take? The recommended daily amount is around 400 milligrams per day. However, stress, poor diet, physical activity, and chronic illness can increase your need for magnesium. Some people benefit from even higher doses, especially if they experience frequent cramps or sleep disturbances. But not all magnesium supplements are created equal. Choosing the right type is key, and we'll get into that soon. Why are most people deficient in these nutrients? Despite having more food available than ever, most people are severely lacking in omega-3, vitamin D, and magnesium. First, modern diets are high in processed foods and low in nutrient-dense whole foods. Omega-3s are found primarily in wild-caught fish, which few people eat regularly. Instead, most diets are overloaded with inflammatory omega-6 fats from vegetable oils and processed foods, creating an imbalance that leads to chronic inflammation and poor brain function. Vitamin D deficiency is rampant because most people don't get enough direct sunlight. Even if you spend time outdoors, factors like sunscreen, your clothes, skin tone, and latitude can significantly reduce vitamin D production. Magnesium deficiency is mainly due to soil depletion, high-stress lifestyles, and poor dietary choices. Even if you eat vegetables, they contain far less magnesium today than they did decades ago due to overfarming. Add in caffeine, sugar, and alcohol, which further deplete magnesium, and it's no wonder so many people are deficient. But what are the good news? You can fix these deficiencies with the right foods and supplements. What are the top food sources for each nutrient? If you want to get these essential nutrients from food, here are the best sources you can eat. Omega-3, the highest sources are wild-caught fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and anchovies. For plant-based options, chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts contain ALA, a less potent form of omega-3. Vitamin D, the best sources are fatty fish, egg yolks, and grass-fed dairy. However, sun exposure remains the most powerful way to boost vitamin D naturally. Magnesium, the top sources include dark leafy greens, like spinach and Swiss chard, pumpkin seeds, almonds, avocados, and dark chocolate. While food sources are great, it's hard to get enough from diet alone, especially for vitamin D and omega-3. That's why supplements are often necessary. Can these nutrients boost each other? Yes. These three nutrients work together, enhancing each other's effects. Vitamin D and magnesium are teammates, since magnesium is essential for activating vitamin D. Without it, your body can't properly use vitamin D, leading to deficiency, even if you supplement. Magnesium and omega-3 also work together. This is because magnesium helps reduce inflammation and improve omega-3 absorption, making it more effective. Vitamin D and omega-3 potentiate each other, since studies show that vitamin D enhances omega-3's heart protective benefits, while omega-3 helps vitamin D work more efficiently in immune regulation. Taking them together ensures maximum absorption and effectiveness. What are the best supplement types for each nutrient? Not all supplements are created equal. Here's what you need to look for. For omega-3, choose a high-quality fish oil with at least 1,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA per serving. Look for brands that are molecularly distilled to remove toxins. If plant-based, go for algae-derived omega-3, since it's the only vegan source of DHA. For vitamin D, opt for vitamin D3, also known as cholecalciferol, not D2. D3 is the most bioavailable form. For best absorption, take it with a fat source or a vitamin D supplement that includes vitamin K2 in its MK7 form, which directs calcium to the bones instead of arteries. For magnesium supplements, avoid cheap forms like magnesium oxide, which is poorly absorbed. Instead, go for magnesium glycinate, which is best for relaxation and sleep. Magnesium malate is great for energy and muscle function, or magnesium threonate, which is excellent for brain health. Taking the right forms of these supplements ensures maximum benefits and bioavailability. In conclusion, ensuring optimal health starts with correcting the most common nutrient deficiencies: omega-3, vitamin D, and magnesium. These three essential nutrients are the foundation of brain function, heart health, immune strength, and overall vitality. Yet, due to poor diets, modern lifestyles, and environmental factors, most people are severely deficient without even realizing it. Omega-3 fatty acids are critical for brain health, reducing inflammation, and protecting the heart. Without enough, people experience brain fog, mood swings, and joint pain. The best sources are wild-caught fatty fish, but high-quality fish oil supplements ensure consistent intake. Vitamin D is a powerful hormone that regulates bone strength, immune function, and energy levels. Yet, lack of sunlight, excessive sunscreen use, and dietary insufficiency make deficiency widespread. Combining vitamin D3 with K2 is the most effective supplement choice. Magnesium is the master mineral, essential for muscle function, nerve health, sleep quality, and stress management. Unfortunately, soil depletion and poor diets leave most people lacking. Choosing bioavailable forms like magnesium glycinate maximizes absorption. Taken together, these three nutrients amplify each other's effects, improving absorption, reducing inflammation, and optimizing overall health. Correcting these deficiencies is one of the easiest yet most powerful steps toward long-term well-being. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.